I will show you how to install Ubuntu on Virtualbox Windows 10. Before install Ubuntu on your PC, make sure your virtualization enabled from BIOS. Then you want to download Ubuntu from Ubuntu website. In my case, I download Ubuntu 22.0.4. It's a LTS version. I already download and I put on it D drive, and I already installed Oracle virtualization. If you don't know how to install Oracle virtualization, make sure see my previous video. You can install Ubuntu or virtualization from here and here. Those are same location. Here I see click on making the new. Then name, you can name your virtual machine name. In my case, I name here Ubuntu. I can see here yellow mark. Then space it done. Then folder selection, it is by default folder. I can choose another location, that is D drive, and make a new folder here. That case, the name of folder Ubuntu 24. Here ISO image, I choose downloaded ISO Ubuntu download ISO. Skip unattested install, you can take it or not. Unattested install, click here. I see here username, by default username Vbox user, hostname Ubuntu. By default hostname Ubuntu, folder name I change the name and choose another, that is test, and username by default Vbox user, and set a password for user Vbox user. Get additional, you can tick or not as you want. Now it says domain name. In hardware section, click here and customize your RAM or processor. I can increase both. In hardware, I don't click, but you can choose your hardware size, hard disk size. Now finish. Now we install Ubuntu on Virtualbox. Install is started. It may take few time and wait for that. Install is begin process. Wait for full complete installation. I see here desktop. And preparing Ubuntu, some additional feature installing from internet. It may take time. After complete, it asks for restart. it won't restart. After restart, wait for now logging Vbox user. In terminal, in desktop right click and open a terminal. In terminal, now we update Ubuntu. That command sudo apt update. It asks password Vbox user. Now full updater. Now full updated install from internet. Now full download upgrade from internet. That command sudo apt full upgrade. Y for continue. Again it asks restart. Now restart on Ubuntu PC. Now logging Vbox user. Now we set root password. For that open terminal and command here sudo. Now we set root user password. For command here sudo password. It asks current Vbox user password. I type here Vbox user password. Now asks new password for root user. Type here password for root user and here type new password for root password. Now we switch root user. That command show. Now we successfully switch root user. Now we check root directory for command pwd, present working directory. Now we want to show Ubuntu version. So command here cat etc release OS. So command here cat etc OS release.